Hello, today we will guide you through how to add indicators on ThinkorSwim Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to attach technical indicators to a chart inside the mobile app so you can analyze price action with more context and confidence. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the search icon. It typically looks like a small magnifying glass. Tap that to bring up the search field. Searching is the fastest way to jump straight to the chart you want to work with. In the search bar, type the symbol you want to analyze. This can be any stock, ETF, or other supported instrument. As you type, you'll see matching results appear. Choose the correct listing and then tap the symbol from the results. This opens the selected instrument so you can view its market data and chart. You'll know you're in the right place when you see price candles and the familiar charting layout. Next, look along the left side of the chart for the Studies option. On mobile, it's usually labeled clearly and sits near other chart tools. Tap Studies to open the Indicators panel. This is where you can find, add, and organize the technical studies that display on your chart. At the top of the Studies panel, there's a search field. Use this to quickly locate the indicator you have in mind. Start typing the name, such as Moving Average, RSI, MACD, or any other study you prefer. Typing a few letters usually narrows a list right away, which is helpful because there are many built-in choices. When you see the indicator you want, tap it to add it to your chart. As soon as you select it, the study is applied. Many indicators appear directly over the price chart, like moving averages, while others appear in their own pane below the chart, such as RSI or MACD. If you don't see it immediately, give the chart a moment to refresh or gently scroll to make sure the lower pane is in view. A few quick tips as you work. Spelling matters when searching, so try common variations of an indicator's name if you don't see it right away. If multiple versions appear, pick the one that matches your preferred method. Also, screen layouts can differ slightly between devices, but the Studies option and search field will function the same way. That's it. You've opened a symbol, accessed Studies, searched for your indicator, and added it to the chart. Thanks for following along, and happy charting.